Hello everyone, this is the CRT Productions here, and recently I made a trip to Goodwill. Would you believe it? Well, you better, because here it is, right here. This is what I came away with from Goodwill, purchased legally as demonstrated by this right here. $2.49. I got 5 compact discs. 2 of those were just music. We're not going to be looking at that today. Of course, we're going to be looking at these 3 funny software CDs that I found at Goodwill. Let's take a look at said funny CDs. All right, here they are. First one is AOL, but this is a goofy, like funny, weird, colorful one. AOL 6.0. All new, fun, and free. AOL's fastest and best version yet. No credit card required. Where have we heard that phrase before? Well, let's continue on here around the edge. You can see there lots of colorful splashiness. For some reason, they have water splashes there. Here's the person who originally got this. Angela Armstrong, you're out there. I am showing your AOL password on the screen right now. Very unfortunate. Come back and try AOL 6.0. 1,000 hours free for 45 days. Get AOL anywhere, even by phone. You don't say. Internet, telephone. You're very futuristic. Well, let's try installing it on an old computer and see what happens. Here's our subject. Let's go ahead and, while that's booting up, let's take a look at the disk. I did check to see if the disk is in the case before I bought it. Thank you very much. Let's see here. Come back and try AOL 6.0 now. What is this? So here's a little piece of paper that's in it. Come back and try. Just pop in your free CD-ROM. If installation does not begin automatically, Windows users, click Start on the taskbar. Windows 3.1 users, click on the File menu. Alright, select Run, type D Setup, press OK. Man, that's simplistic. There's the activation code. Artery yelled. Very interesting. Anyway, yeah, nothing on the back. No commitment. I like this little piece of paper here. No commitment. Accept this free trial. Even if you already have another internet service, your new AOL membership will provide you with superior benefits and service. And there's the big splashy CD. Let's see what happens when we throw it in this computer here. Oh, screwdriver. Install America Online 6.0. In just a few minutes, you'll be online. First, we'll guide you through a short installation and registration process. New member, obviously. Want to make sure you have the best. We recommend that you install AOL software into the following directory. Absolutely. Okay, let's see how this goes. Gone wrong because we don't have a telephone line out here or anything like that. So, I have let's see here. I have hotspot on my phone. But that would that work? All right. Well, it looks like we're in for the long haul here. You've got AOL 6.0. You're just moments away from connecting with the world's most popular internet online service. Just moments. Just about 85 of them. Well, since we got about 75 moments remaining here, I'm just gonna take this and dispose of it real quick. And why don't we go ahead and just really quickly zoom out a little and try out the next software. Let's see. Don't mind this. Actually, let's see. Let's don't do it with this computer because that's the one that I installed Windows 11 on. I forgot about that. Hang on. Let's try this one on for size here. Let's try out the next software. Is that on screen? Yes, it is. Next one I've got is much more appropriate for Windows XP. I think it's Spyware Killer. As if it had any other word here besides killer, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. But killer is extremely, aggressive. Is going to kill any spyware on here. You better watch out, spyware. I'm talking about whatever the devil that is right there. I don't know. Let's see. What do we got here? Installing your program. There was no, front thingy there. This is very ghetto. It has a website there. Go to that website, everybody. Everybody go to that website. Pause the video. Go there right now. Cosby.com. So we got here some instructions on installing the program. Close all programs in dialog windows. All right. Let's close that one there then. Insert a CD. Installation doesn't begin. If you're using Windows 3.1, follow the on-screen instructions. Program group will be added to your start. Okay, oh, this is going to be great. And send mail to them there. Copyright 2004. September 20th, 2004. You got an exact date there. Dated. Man, look at that. Don't steal it either. One of those Walmart or Kmart things there. Probably knows where this thing came from. All right, let's see. And the CD's just jumping out of the case. It's so excited. It's probably never been used. Never mind that. Let's see if we can get this to install. Here we are. Welcome to the Anonymizer Spyware Killer plus Privacy Manager Installation Wizard. Spyware Killer. All right. It requires 1 megabyte. Oh yeah, let's run all of them at the same time. There you go. Let's get a status update on our AOL installation here. Looks like we're looking at a screensaver right now. Let's see. There it is. Backing up current configuration. Oh boy. Yeah, this is going to take the whole length of this video just to do. Let's install that. Let's see. What do we got here now? Register online and receive a free bonus program. Hello. Yes, please. Register online. Confirmed. Okay. How do you do the thing there? Can't do the thing apparently. Okay. That's helpful. All right, Privacy Manager, be gone. How about Killer? Let's see. Why are these windows like this? Not compatible. Not compatible. Definition file version. Definition file date 2004 January 27th. Oh, we're only 20 years out of date. Never mind that. Please wait while we add new features. This process may take a few minutes. 99%. Okay. How many dozens of viruses do we have? It did find something apparently. It deleted Microsoft Media Player. Okay, apparently Media Player was a virus. Oh well, you never know, do you, about those programs? You never know when something you trust is really a virus. That's right. This is the Dell XPS M1730, and on it we are going to try today some software that's really not from its time period. It would be from the Windows 7 time period, I guess, but 2010, a bestseller on DVD-ROM. It is Sid Meier's Civilization 5 in Russian on CD, or DVD, I should say. And this thing is pretty odd. I found this at Goodwill again. This isn't something I ordered on eBay, but for some reason somebody in the Middle Georgia area here in the United States had a Russian copy. I guess maybe they thought they were living in the country Georgia, which I think speaks Russian, right? Some people do. Oh, there's my code. Don't want anybody to see that. We're going to install this goofy disk now. Here it is right here. I mean, it looks fine. It's in Russian. All right, here we go. Let's run setup.exe. There it is. Select the language for this. English. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That looks legit. I don't know what the installation is supposed to look like for this game. Does it normally look that ghetto? It could. I don't know. Let's see. Steam client service. Installing Visual C++ 2008. Check your anti-spyware software status. Windows Defender is out of date. Click this notification to fix the problem. Well, I think I'm doing the opposite of fixing that problem at the moment. Well, I suppose we really and truly are getting the 2010 experience here. Steam Setup License Agreement. We're going to accept that and accept that I am 13 years of age. Rest in peace, computer. Steam EXE. To run Steam, you must first connect to the internet. Well, that wouldn't work very well nowadays, would it? Okay, so apparently that tries to install Steam. That's very interesting. Well, I restarted this thing here. Let's go ahead and see how this goes here. Power back on here. I still have the disk in there, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. This installation is a lot more involved than I expected it to be. Wow. The done RAS files have been installed. Oh my goodness. More restarting. I wonder if the SPYWARE CD works with Windows 95. It probably does. There's only one way to find out. You must restart your computer for these changes to take effect. All right. So it looks like we've got AOL and Internet free trial. That was already on here, actually. But never mind that. We've got $50 refer a friend. So that's not a new phenomenon. With the the Upside app and whatever else there is out there. Free AOL extras. Let's see some extras here. Winamp. We can install Winamp music player. AOL TV. We can get our streaming service here. Very futuristic. CD extras. AOL TV demo. Install AOL Speaks. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's podcasts. You reckon? Maybe that's podcasts. AOL podcasts. Free bonus software. Stamps.com. Java 2. Yeah, let's install Java 2. Shockwave player. Obviously, we want Shockwave player. AOL games. Yeah, the Shockwave. Yeah, install Shockwave. We need 3 megabytes of space. I assume we're going to have to restart to install that, but we're not going to do that right now. What's this? Digibox.com. You've got music. Okay. Enter Chrysler PT Cruiser sweepstakes. All right. Yeah. Let's see. HP. Boo. HP. No HP products in this household. Never mind the 3 that are right there. But yeah. Anyway. Stamps.com. Print your own postage today with Stamps.com. It's simple, easy, and risk-free. Can you print your own stamps? Probably. AOL keyword. Games and Discover. Wide the AOL Games channel by EA.com is the place to play. So there you go. There's our extras. Java. Enhance the power of your browser. A lot of fun stuff there. A lot of fun stuff. Install Winamp. Let's install Winamp. There it goes. Up, and there goes my life. My whole livelihood right there. Everything wiped from existence. All right. How should Winamp connect to the internet? Well, no internet connection available at this time, unfortunately. I was working on a way to connect this thing to the internet, but it's not working so far. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And there's Winamp. There it is, plain and boring. I'm going to find me some skins for it here. This is the mini browser. There's the 90s right there. Too bad it took my entire livelihood along with it. Let's see, in Spinner. Let's install Spinner. My goodness. This is Spinner Plus 3.1. Wow. It's like the future is here in my at my fingertips. Spinner. Is this another like music player? Okay, I can exit all Windows programs now because you took my start menu away. Oh boy. Oh boy. There goes my life again. That's like the 8th life today. I am living on the edge now. Let's see. Yes, yes. Install Spinner. Oh, there it goes, all my files. Would you like it to launch when Windows starts? I don't think so. Um, this Windows installation on this computer was fairly clean once upon a time. That all went away today. And, boy, it's like a radio, I guess. Internet connection, yeah. I guess this was like internet radio then. Figured it was something like that. Buy this CD. No, it's just a music player, isn't it? It was probably both. Anyway, there you go. We'll go ahead and close out of that. AOL by phone. Listen to. What do you listen to on the phone? Listen to your email. Listen to your email. How about that? I can listen to all of those advertisements I get in my email from Staples. But anyway, there you have it. That's 3 funny softwares. One of them was kind of funny. The other two not so much. But there you have it. This sucker charged back up, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, fun, fun, fun.